Hello, today I'll be going over Cin and Cout. So Cin is a way for a user to input values into variables. So you use the insertion operator, two arrow keys to the right, to pass input values into the variable, and it effectively communicates from the user to the program. I think about it in the sense of like Cin and Cinnabon. The program is ingesting the input from the user the same way we ingest Cinnabon into our stomachs. An example being, after prompting the user to type in how many rolls they want to eat, you would use Cin and then the insertion operator, num rolls, to insert the value input into num rolls. Then there's also Cout, which is like the direct opposite, where you're actually outputting either a variable or any kind of information you want them to see. Cout uses the extraction operator, which is in the opposite direction of the insertion operator. It's easy to remember when you just sound out Cout. It practically explains what it does itself. It's just C output. So in the example below, you see that you go Cout, then you do the extraction operator, you type in what you want the user to see, then you end with a semicolon, and then they would see the "see you later, alligator." To overview, Cin is used to input data from the user into a variable, and we use the insertion operator to insert the user's input into the variable. Cout is used for to output variables or anything you want to communicate to the user by using the extraction operator. Here shows you like kind of the path you want to take, where you like set and declare initialize variables while being mindful of their types, their data types. And then you want to prompt the user by using Cout. Here you say Cout how many rolls, and then you would use Cin to store the user's input into the variable num rolls. So Cin num rolls sets num rolls into the input provided. Then you would do Cout to output the variable to check to see what input was placed in there and if it was properly stored. Then at the end you can test and see if your code is working, and maybe you can input other variables and values and stuff like that to see if it'll break or so on.